Well, if you can. Anybody. Somebody just catch her. Come here. Fucking piece of shit. Come here. Look at this crap. Why are you so bad? Yeah, just come on. Look at this. Josie, come on. Come right here. Josie, come on. Come here. You gonna play? Which toy? Hey, want a cookie? No, you don't want anything. Josie. She's holding a damn ball. Can I have the ball? Please. Oh, I tried that. Josie, come. You fucking bitch. This is why I do not let her off the damn leash. Yeah. Come here. Come on, let's go. Come on. Well, there she goes. You can't hold the damn ball and the stick.
Marley, get the ball. Try to get the ball.
I can't figure it out.
Where's your damn ball at?
It's gone.
Oh yeah, I had a hole in it.
Shut up. Go get the ball, Mag. Go get the stick. Go get it.
Yeah, get something.
Go. Oh my god. Here, Josie.
See how she runs away, that piece of crap?
Look how persistent she is, though.
Oh, I know. That's how she drowns. She's too damn persistent.
Oh my.
Because she carried that all the way from Manatee Island. All the way from over there.
Josie, the current's gonna take you. Oh my god, Josie!
Josie, come! Josie! Josie! Come! Come, come, come! Come on! Oh my god, do you see the way she swims? Get your ass out of the water!
Shut up. Mag, Josie!
Josie, come on!
Want a cookie?
You want a cookie? Who wants a cookie? Look at that crap. Oh, there you stole her. Oh, shit. Okay, I'm going to try to catch her. Oh.
I'm gonna like grab her like an alligator.
Shit, I can't get this dirty. Oh my god. Look at your ears. And this, America, is why you don't get boxers. Alright, Josie. Be good like Marley. She doesn't run away.